Hello and good evening. My name is Noraini binti Tajuddin, CAFF 233, student ID 2021919647. What is the main causes of insomnia? Insomnia is a common sleep disorder that can make hard to fall asleep, hard to stay asleep, or cause you to wake up too early and not be able to get back to sleep. You may still feel tired when you wake up. Insomnia can sap not only your energy level and mood, but also your health, work performance, and quality of life. How much sleep is enough varies from person to person, but most adults need 7 to 8 hours a night. At some points, many adults experience short-term acute insomnia, which lasts for days or weeks. It's usually the result of stress or a traumatic event, but some people have long-term chronic insomnia that lasts for a month or more. Insomnia may be the primary problem, or it may be associated with other medical conditions or medication. There are common causes of chronic insomnia include stress, concerns about work, school, health, finance, or family can keep your mind active at night, making it difficult to sleep. Stressful life events or trauma, such as the death or your loved one, divorce, or a job loss, also may lead to insomnia. Poor sleep habits. Poor sleep habits include an irregular bedtime schedule, naps stimulating activities before bed, an uncomfortable environment, and using your bed for work, eating, or watching TV, computers. TVs, video games, smartphones, or other screens just before bed can interfere with your sleep cycle. Another thing is travel or work schedule. Your circadian rhythms act as an internal clock, guiding such things as your sleep-wake cycle, metabolism, and body temperature. Disrupting your body's circadian rhythms can lead to insomnia. Causes include jet lag from traveling across multiple time zones, working late or early shift, or frequently changing shifts. Eating too much late in the evening. Having a light snack before bedtime is okay, but eating too much may cause you to feel physically uncomfortable while lying down. Many people also experience heartburn, a backflow of acid and food from the stomach into the esophagus after eating, which may keep you awake. Chronic insomnia may also be associated with medical conditions or the use of certain drugs. Treating the medical condition may help improve sleep, but the insomnia may persist after the medical condition improves. Additional common causes of insomnia include mental health disorders, anxiety disorders such as a post-traumatic stress disorder may disrupt your sleep. Awakening too early can be a sign of depression. Insomnia often occurs with other mental health disorders as well. Medications. Many prescription drugs can interfere with sleep, such as certain antidepressants and medications for asthma or blood pressure. Make over-the-counter counter medications such as some pain medications, allergy and cold medications, and weight loss products contain caffeine and other stimulations that can disrupt sleep. Medical conditions. Examples of conditions linked with insomnia include chronic pain, cancer, diabetes, heart disease, asthma, gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, overactive thyroid, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Insomnia and aging. Insomnia becomes more common with age. As you get older, you may experience change in sleep times. Sleep often becomes less restful as your age, so noise or other changes in your environment are more likely to wake you. With age, your internal clock often advances, so you get tired earlier in the evening and wake up earlier in the morning, but other people generally still need the same amount of sleep as younger people do. I picked some quotes from Edmund Vance Cook. He says, "Don't fight with the pillow, but lay down your head and hide every worriment out of the bed." That's all. Thank you.